How to transfer domain from IONOS to Hostinger. As you can see, I am in the official help center of IONOS. Here are all the requirements mentioned of transferring a domain. Firstly, log in to your IONOS account. Then go to Domains and SSL. Then select the domain you want to transfer. After that, unlock your domain if it's locked. Disable domain lock so it can be transferred. Request the EPP authenticator code. This is your domain's transfer authorization code. IONOS will send it to your register email. Before transferring, you need to check the requirements. Your domain is older than 60 days. Your domain must not be in the redemption or pending deleted status. You have to have access to your domain's admin email. Now go to Hostinger's domain transfer page, enter your domain name and enter the EPP authorization code you got from IONOS. Add the transfer to cart and complete the payment. Then Hostinger will send you a confirmation email, confirm the link, and once that's completed, then your domain will get transferred. That's all for today. Thank you.